Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Quest for Knowledge. This is the blueprint which we need to follow because this is this year blueprint. Every year is important and every year we had different situations, different scenario, so we need to go as per the current year. The thing is that last year we had another situation. We were going through with the COVID situations, so that 30% of reduction was there in the languages and rest was given full of the syllabus was covered in the core subjects. Before that there were 30% of reductions in all core subjects and even in the languages, and we face different scenarios every year. This year the government has announced complete change in the paper pattern. The MCQs are increased, so here no change in any kind of reductions is not there, so that it is better if we follow this time blueprint and this year paper pattern and model paper. If we go through, that is fair enough and a brilliant and a wise thing to do. Okay, so as per that, if you go through with this blueprint, the marks allotted also you can see for each and every subjects. Every time the second chapter of micro is very important, it is allotted with 20 marks, and the second chapter of macro is very important because it is allotted with again 20 marks. Okay, and here we can see in first chapter 4 marks question is one surely going to be asked. It can be a market economy, it can be a central problem of the economy or centrally planned economy, and one mark question will be asked. In second question you can see 6 marks, one practical oriented, and one short answer, one 2 marks surely gonna be asked, and 1 marks gonna be asked, so that it is going to give us total of 20 marks. And in the third chapter 4 marks and one practical oriented 9 marks, and 1 mark. By that we get 10 marks is being allotted from the third chapter. If you go through with the fourth chapter, 12 to 13 marks is being allotted. By that we can say one short answer, 1 mark, 1 2 mark, 1 6 marks, and 1 4 marks is being allotted. Likewise, this blueprint we need to follow so that it is going to be very helpful for this year examination. After that we'll go through with the model paper as well, so that we can come to know regarding the paper pattern. So we have 10 MCQs, 5 fill-ups, 5 match-up, and we don't have 1 mark this year. We have 2 marks. We need to write 2 marks so that we can get 18 marks. As you can see, second chapter inferior goods, again second chapter law of demand, budget line and budget set is also from the second chapter, different approaches is also from the second chapter. It means all 4 questions are going to be asked from second chapter. Shutdown point is from the third chapter, labor market is from the market equilibrium, and average revenue and marginal revenue is again from the fourth chapter. Features of monopoly again from market equilibrium chapter. So likewise we have to go through. As you can see, the 4 marks, first chapter centrally planned economy, then we have isocon from the third chapter, and we have P is equals to MC, this is from the fourth chapter. Macroeconomic is different, this is from the 6th chapter, introduction. Externality, which is again from the income determination chapter. And money and banking, we have a functions of money, and then consumption function, that is from the yet again this one is from income determination. Okay, and then government budget. These all from the last 2 chapter. We have 3 questions are being going to ask from government budget. Public debt impose a public burden. Balance of trade is all from the last chapter, that is open economy and government budget. After this, when we go through with the 6 marks, here you can see we are surely going to get 6 marks from second chapter, and then short run supply curve of a firm with the help of a diagram, that is from a third chapter, that is production and cost chapter. After that we are surely going to get 1 question from market equilibrium. Okay, and then short run equilibrium of a monopolist firm in a simple case. So here it's two questions, very important questions are being asked from market equilibrium and non-competitive market. Okay, so yet 5th and 6th chapter, 3, 4, 5th and 6th chapter, and then we have income determination, national income chapter number 8. We are going to get 6 marks, which is write down the limitation of using GDP as an index welfare. This question may be asked, might be macroeconomic identity can be asked, or even expenditure method can be asked. So we should not take any kind of grantness here. Okay, we have to go as per this subject allotment wise, and we have 6 marks from Goldsmith Lala, that is money and banking. And last we have to write with open economy one question. It can be balance of trade, it can be balance of payment, or it can be gold standard, or it can be foreign exchange rate. It can be any of the question can be asked from the last chapter. And then here we have the POQ, which is first we have banana and mango question. Again, it's very easy, missing the figure, very easy. If you go through with this 3 is much sufficient for you to prepare for your examinations. Okay, and that is it. I hope this video is surely going to be helpful for you to prepare you for the coming examination and go through with this year blueprint. I repeat again and again, whatever the government has released this year paper, this year preparatory, this year midterm paper, this year first quarterly, and this year blueprint should be referred. And thank you so much for watching.